Let me act like all those YouTubers making an apology video. So, oh man. So I guess let's just get it rolling. What happened in the last 6 years? I haven't posted to this channel in 6 whole years. That's wild. So what happened? Long story short, I went into university after high school, and it was busy, and I did not have time to post on my YouTube channel, which sucks because I actually really do enjoy posting on this YouTube channel. In terms of gaming, I kind of fell out of love for gaming. My passion has always been cars, so I guess my focus shifted that way, and I had a car, a 2005 Saab 9.5 Aero for my first car. That was really fun car, and then it got like fucked up. Basically, it was very much a shitbox, and I got rid of it, and then decided to spend more money on an even, I wouldn't say more of a shitbox, but a shitbox again. So yeah, that's basically what I'll be posting on this channel, just car stuff, I guess. Just me working on my car, having fun, because I can. Yeah, so I bought a 2012 WRX S, according to my VIN. And unfortunately, as Subarus and more specifically WRXs love doing, my engine blew up. I think I spun a rod bearing, and you'll see via this clip. Yeah, the worst part is that happened after I spent a whole bunch of money fixing what started out as a camshaft seal leak, and then it turned into a new clutch, a new turbo, and everything on my timing belt being changed. And ever since I got the car like 7 months ago, it's just been problem after problem after problem. So yeah, it's not been a fun 7 months. I did start, doing stuff to it, but it just kept letting me down, which is pretty sad, honestly. I really do love the car. Like I actually almost sold the car. Like I put it up on Facebook Marketplace, and the offers I was getting were just not it. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna rebuild it and have that experience. I've always wanted to do that. Not in this way, probably in a school setting, rather than me spending thousands of dollars fixing my engine. But you know what? I got what I asked for, so array of videos are gonna be me working on my car, maybe going to car meets, and maybe some gaming videos.
This is a load of barnacles.
You never know. But yeah, just I guess me having fun, because why not document that? But yeah, I'm not I don't know what direction I'm gonna go. I don't think I'm gonna go like instructional, like this is how you do this type videos, but I will link the videos that I use to work on my car, because I know how frustrating it is to try and figure out how to do something specific, and then the video is like, yeah, so you just take this off and then you do it. What? So I will link the videos and all of that. Like, I'll try and be helpful, but yeah, I'll probably just, I guess, vlog, if you want to call it that, and yeah, just have fun, I guess. So I'll show you the car. So, the car, my front bumper is off because I kind of already started here to start the process of tearing down my engine, I guess, for the rebuild. So I just walk through what I've done. change out the headlights for Spider C-Light headlights. Have a InGen air intake, IAG AOS, and that's practically as far as I was able to get before my engine decided to say goodbye. Side mirror, gloss black wrap, roof wrap. It might have been rusting, but we don't talk about that. We do not talk about Bruno. Cosmos 006Rs. Shout out Wes for suggesting that. That's pretty much it in terms of mods. I do have a Likewise shifter, but I took it out because I thought I was gonna sell it. Stocky interior, not really anything special in there. Oh, how could I forget the Juice WRLD sticker? You already know it had to happen. You know, it had to happen. I'm sorry, but it had to happen. You know, it's quite. Ooh. So yeah, like literally, basically, all I'm gonna be doing is trying to get this car to run properly again. And why am I talking like that? Like what? So yeah, basically all I'm trying to do is get this car to run properly again. And hopefully mod it. Yeah, videos are gonna be coming out. I do go back to school in September though, so I don't know how that's gonna work, but that's my final year as well, so we'll worry about that once we get there. Alright. Bye.